Get my street again.
There's been quite a few instances of South Australian police being in the news for all the wrong reasons over the last 12, 18 months. This story here, just another one. Have they got a bigger problem forming down there? Lack of integrity, honesty. This is just another issue, another story with a senior officer. South Australia Police, let's check it out. Quick story.
Might reveal the identity of a high-ranking South Australian police officer charged with domestic violence offences and abusing public office. Kelly Hughes was in court. Kelly, this officer still being paid after he was suspended.
He is, Brenton. The senior sergeant has been stood down from duty but is still being paid while he remains on bail. 53-year-old Mark Orford today fronted court charged with 2 counts of domestic violence assault dating back to 2005 and 2008. He's also facing more recent allegations of abusing public office by gaining information with the intent of causing injury or detriment to another person, as well as a 2025 charge of possessing a dangerous article, with police now seeking to confiscate a pepper spray canister. Orford has been in the force for decades and was arrested in June after a lengthy investigation by anti-corruption detectives. SA Police today telling 9 News while they won't comment on this case, domestic abuse is unacceptable and not tolerated from its employees. Prosecutors today asking for the case to be adjourned for 14 weeks to gather further evidence in what they have called a complex matter. Orford will return to court at the end of the year. Kate?
Kelly, thank you.
Okay, so let's get this straight. He's been charged with abusing public office. Also, several counts of DV, which seems a bit strange because it goes all the way back to 2005. 20 years. 20 years. 2005, another count in 2008. Gaining information. So he's basically accessing the police database, and he's looking for information with intent to cause harm to someone else. Mate, that you can't be trusted. You have access to so much information, so much data out there, and if you can't be trusted with that information, it should, in my mind, it should almost be instant dismissal. If it's once it's proven, if it is proven, instant dismissal. Also, he's got another charge in 2025 of possession of a dangerous weapon. So, if for some reason he's got his police issued pepper spray taken home, or he's got it hidden away somewhere. And he's been investigated by anti-corruption detectives, which probably means that he's been under surveillance for quite a while. They spend quite a bit of time putting the evidence together. If he's actually gone before and he's actually got, if he's actually been investigated by this kind of unit with surveillance in tow, he's going to find these charges very hard to defend. What do you think of him being suspended with pay? I mean, if it was just a couple of counts just recently and, there was a lot of, didn't he kind of thing. But these counts go back 20 years, domestic violence, 20 years. And then the fact that he's also using the police database to access this information, and who knows what his intentions were. Mate, personally, I think he should be using, if with these kind of serious charges, I think he should be using his own either sick leave or holiday pay, rec leave, something like that, long service leave. He shouldn't just be getting paid, because while he's getting paid like this, he is still accruing sick leave, personal leave, rec leave, long service leave, all these things. So I think he should be out there using his own, using his other leaves, his other entitlements, rather than just getting paid like that. Anyway, this is we're going to have to keep track of this. South Australian police have had quite a few issues over the last couple of years with officers abusing their position. So it's going to be interesting to keep a track of this and see how far it goes. Let me know, what do you think? Should he be getting suspended without pay? Having to use his own rec leave or sick leave or something like this, rather than just continue on a normal pay bracket, on his normal pay. Anyway, I don't think he should be getting paid. I think it's, they took a hardline stance with other officers that didn't go along with other things. But yet, when police officers get charged with serious offences like this, and yet they still get stood down with pay, I just don't think it passes muster, really. Anyway, that's my opinion. I'm Jay Fallon. Thanks for listening. Let me know what you reckon.
They just fuel a desire that will take me higher. I'm on fire because nothing's gonna bring me down. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Nothing's gonna stop me now. No more deals to be done. No selling out my soul just to focus on the goal. Nothing's gonna stop me now. Nothing's gonna hold me down. Got my eye on the prize. Gonna set on the clouds and tears aside. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Nothing's gonna stop me now. No more deals to be done. No more selling out my soul just to